Good day! This video is about business plan of our Rose and Root Cafe. In this video, we will tackle about the description of our business and the supply chain goals, supply chain strategic plan, and approach on buying our raw materials and ingredients, and how we will monitor our stock and ingredients, and last, our strategies.
Business description. Rose and Roots Cafe is a cafe which offers coffee, pastries, and refreshments. The name is derived from roasted coffee beans on the coffee in our menu. The roots were originated from the plants in the establishment itself, which can add the fresh ambience to the whole cafe. In addition, roots pertain as the source of wisdom, which is the book, and the source of fun, which are the board games and other table games. This concept is made purely to give unique experience to the guests through leisure, relaxation, and enjoyment that the cafe provides. This cafe is a partnership-owned business comprises of 4 college batchmates who are all Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management students. The idea was established to promote local products like coffee beans and coconuts and promote wisdom, relaxation, and enjoyment while getting profit at the same time. Upon establishing, the owners are still seeking for innovations to satisfy the future demands and to continuously survive the evolving hospitality industry as well as the competition. Our mission is to provide a good quality products and services by offering light meals, relaxing ambience, and entertainment at low cost, while maintaining the profit and sustaining the business at the same time. Vision. Rose and Roots Cafe aims to create a unique place to relax and have fun while enjoying delicious food and satisfying ambience where people can promote wisdom, creativity, communication, and better environment. The business objectives are to get the best and long-term suppliers who can provide the needed equipment and raw materials. Second, to satisfy the needs, wants, and demands of the customers at all times. Third, consider continuous innovation to satisfy existing and future demands. Fourth, to be flexible enough to face sudden changes. Fifth, promote a good working environment through cooperation. And the last one is to continuously grow and improve our products and services.
Good idea start with brainstorming. Great idea start with coffee. Here are the list of our menu. When it comes to brewed coffee, we have single origin Bukidnon black coffee, hot latte, cappuccino, and espresso. When it comes to cold brew coffee, we have a cinnamon honey iced latte, cold brew tiramisu, coconut water cold brew coffee, and mint cold brew coffee, iced mocha, and iced americano. When it comes to dessert, we have a donut and cheesecakes. When it comes to mini bites, we offer croissant, sandwich, and French toast. Our fresh baked sweets and desserts are made with love by independent homemade bakers. When it comes to non-coffee, we have teas, juices, and soda. These are the Sola iced tea, Estilanas, hot tea, buko juice, hot chocolate, and soda.
Our business supply chain goals was adapting what is the situation right now. Our business is designed as eco-friendly place so that our customer can take all fresh air from our different and lovely plants. They are all imported from Baguio to recognize what they have. And also, a lot of students are doing online classes. They are always exposed on their gadgets and they must feel tired. Our cafe is providing a lot of educational and entertainment books for them. For our coffee, we are buying our coffee beans whole and grind them right before we brew. The oils that drive those aroma, toasty, extract flavor, starts to degrade in quality the minute they are ground. That is how we make our coffee. We believe that we should trust the process. It always starts from the right beans to make a delicious coffee. From the situation right now, some of our customers want to have their coffee inside their houses to be more safe. So we are also offering our product online and this will deliver to them. Our business are concerned on every customer, so we always consider them for our business plan.
Conducting strategy later, will, will be used in achieving their business goal. Our mission is to provide high-quality local goods and services that customers can get such affordable price and keep their cafe running and be suitable when it comes to raw materials. As stated above, our vision is mainly provide customer comfort and meet their expectation. Provide them a great escape which compromise fun and leisure, as well as patronizing local farmers of their plant will be benefit too. Doing SWOT analysis greatly help determine a strategic plan in innovating and continuously think of new idea to promote eco-friendly and socio-friendly. During our business trend, the rows and roots, the cafe uses local goods and products from local farmers in the area, providing a fresh beans for coffee grounding, different local products that will be raw materials in making refreshment that will be served to the customer, and other local goods for patrays. This trend is both cafe and local farmers from the area will benefit from not only the good mark of trade but also showing our support local products and local farmers. The cafe weakness it is need a lot of innovative and creative thinking in terms of meeting the demand of the customer. Also reconstructing the place for bigger space and adding plants with different kinds may be considered in the strengthening the cafe. Talking about opportunities, we might consider putting up branches in different parts of Luzon. By doing this, we are not just creating profit from the cafe, but offering opportunity for local farmers to buy their local goods. A certain threat for the cafe is competition with the same kind of service and goods to be provided such as commercial cafe, fast food restaurant, tea shop, etc. Here's some of the strategies we have created that we believe will help our cafe be successful. 1. Monitoring the equipment thrice a week for possible damages. This includes the cafe brewing machine, chiller, and refrigerator, and keep the stock room neat and clean. Number 2. Inspecting the coffee beans and other goods to see if there are not any damage to preserve the quality as well. 3. Resourcing different raw materials from different parts of the places nearby can also be an advantage because there are more to offer. This way, supporting, promoting, and local goods can be an advantage. 4. Hiring enough people to accommodate the customer and also avoid loaded orders from the customers. This way, the customers would be impatient while waiting for their orders. 5. Maintaining an eco-friendly space, putting up plants inside and let the customer be friendly with the nature. At the same time, relax their minds is a huge advantage. 6. Creating promos huge sets customers like family, fun date can also unique way to have an advantage to other competitors.
Buying or purchasing raw materials and ingredients must be inspected to ensure that the product we buy is in good quality. It is the supplier and us, the buyer's, responsibility to check and ensure that the product we buy and offer is good and safe, like now in our situation. We are all in pandemic. It must be safe from any viruses or anything that can affect to the health of the buyers. If any of the two, the raw materials and the ingredients are not in good quality, the relationship between the suppliers and buyers must change because of the unsafe process of ensuring their products they sell, especially in the foods. If they did a trouble, the buyer must change the supplier that to make sure it won't happen again. So they must always have a second option of supplier, then the supply of ingredients and raw materials won't be affected. Buyers should have a set of standards for ingredients to be purchased and only purchase for reputable ingredient sellers who will comply with the mill's purchasing standards. It is important to characterize and monitor the product we bought because if we didn't characterize, label, or group the ingredients, the product we serve to the customer must change and affected due to the quality control that we apply. In buying raw materials, the approach that we apply is to examine the factors in order to make the most cost-effective choice, like in the cost of the raw materials and if a supplier will be manufacturing the product. Companies must factor in the cost of dealing with the supplier and correcting any errors to ensure the quality control. Next is the supplier reliability. Like I was said, we need to make sure that our supplier give what we need, so we also give them what we need from us. Because if there's any interruption in supply of raw materials and ingredients, this can be prohibitively expensive. Because as a buyer, we are also likely to select a competing brand of product if supply are not available. Next is the production capacity of the supplier. This is very important because what if we buy a lot of product from them because we need to stock to less hassle and less payment for the transfer for the shipment. We must sure that the supplier has a capability to ship big shipment of products that they have and what we buy from them. In this situation, on how we monitor the stock and ingredients, weekly we monitor the ingredients and we stock some materials that we are using in our business. Even if the stock of our ingredients and raw materials is good for 1 month, we always check it weekly because it is important to monitor the stock we have, especially the ingredients that we have. Checking the expiration date is very important, and we keep the ingredients that has a long lifespan. Then the short one is the first thing that we use first. We list and put label the ingredients that has a short lifespan to make sure that we need to use it first. If something happen that has a changes from the position or arrangement of the products.
The implementation and execution. To be able to make our products affordable and taste good at the same time, we are planning to get a supplier of coffee beans from Batangas, which is near here in Quezon Province. While in terms of coconuts, we are planning to find suppliers here in Quezon, which is near from our location, so that we can have much affordable supplies of fresh coconuts. We can save time and money, and we can help mitigate air pollution as well. In terms of online page for advertisement and selling, to implement it effectively and efficiently, we will have staffs be in charge with it so that nothing will be left behind. In system for purchasing, our cafe considers the quality of our raw materials came from trusted and reputable suppliers. The process of choosing supplier will be based from the quality of their products, business background, and price they can offer. For a system of production, it will follow standards to produce a good quality product. Human resources will be fully aware about their duties and responsibilities by learning what is their focus. Through effective communication by management and subordinates, a leader can make the staff aware about their vision, mission, and objectives of the business for the attainment of the cafes.
Our group came up with the strategies making all our product affordable but the taste are worth of buying. Buying all materials from near provinces to support all local store, making a system for purchasing, productions, and selling the product. We are making an online page for advertisement and selling. Our main target are all teenagers who love exploring different things. So we serve new and delicious food and beverages for them to try on. And also coffee for the traveler who is passing by to take a break for their long drive. All the staff in our cafe are trained in terms of values, communication, mission, visions. With this kind of strategies, all our staff will serve right and will be productive, which is very good in our business.